How to clear Snapchat search history. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about clearing the Snapchat search history. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Once you launch the application, tap on the profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and go to the account action section. From here, you will see the option of clear search history, that is between clear my AI data and clear my astrological birthday option. Simply tap on it and here you have to again tap on clear to confirm to clear the search history. Once you do that, your entire search history on your Snapchat account will be gone. So this is exactly how you can clear Snapchat search history. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.